up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Kyla Trees. I'm back with another video. In today's video, I am going to be talking about everything that I got from TikTok shop. So yeah, let's just get right into it. What's on my camera? Don't play with me today. I do not have the time. Okay, thank you. So the first things first, this is the Hita Naturals Edge Control. Okay, when I tell you bomb in a jar, this stuff is bomb. So I have this on right now. I put this on this morning, and it is, what time is it? I think it's like 5 o'clock. I don't know where my iPad at, but I believe it's like 5 o'clock, something like that. Look at that. Oh, we love a good edge control that's gonna do the job every single time. We really do. So like I said, this is the Hita Naturals Stronghold Edge Control, and they have a new packaging. It's pink instead of black. Also, if I can get it open here, the edge control is also pink, and you can see where I stuck my brush in it. I absolutely love this edge control. This is definitely going to be one of my staple edge controls, and it's also black on as well. On the top it says made by a kinky girl for kinky girls. So the woman that made this edge control has 4C natural hair, and it's made for type 4 natural hair. Okay, so if you have type 4 natural hair and it's kinky and curly, definitely try this out. Okay, literally such a good edge control. Smells good. It's kind of hard to open a little bit, but yeah, it smells good. It's nice and pink and girly, and I think this is my first pink edge control. Yeah, this is my first pink edge control. So the owner is from Africa. She also has oil. She has shampoo, conditioner. She has a bunch of good stuff on her page. So her Instagram is Hita Naturals, and this is how you spell it: KHALIDA. Hita Naturals. She's on Instagram as well as TikTok. Okay, so this is her brand. Next we have Bask and Lather. So I got a couple stuff from Bask and Lather. They're a good brand. So how I even found out about this brand was because EBIN, they were being racist. Who would have thought, right? They were being racist. EBIN, if you don't know, they have edge control, and so black girls all over the world, we was like, yeah, we finna boycott EBIN. So that's what we did. And the next runner up, that's when, you know, next thing you know, Bask and Lather, they went viral. So they also have an edge control. I've been using their edge control for a good little minute now. Their edge control is actually really fire. Love the edge control, another black owned brand. But I remember them going viral when EBIN got booted. Okay, so this is Bask and Lather edge control. Their edge control is really good. I did a video about them. I love their edge control. However, that's not what we're here to talk about today. We are here to talk about their lash serum and their deep conditioner. Okay, so this is the Bask and Lather volume and eyelash serum. Okay, I've been using this on my brows because I want my brows to be nice and full, and I've also been using it on my lashes as well. And look at my lashes. I am a sucker for a good lash serum and a good eyebrow serum. So yeah, I've been using this. We're gonna stay tuned with this product because I'm gonna use it until it's gone, and I just want to see how long I can grow my lashes. So far so good. We're doing really good with it. And so yeah, I use this every day and every night. Okay, next we have the Bask and Lather deep conditioner. So when I found out the edge control was bomb and when I found out the lash serum was bomb, I was like, let me go ahead and get the deep conditioner. Obviously I have not tried this yet, it's brand new. I have in braids, I have fresh braids at that. I'm not gonna wash my hair anytime soon. So yeah, that's out, but I do plan on using this, so I want y'all to stay tuned for a video with this deep conditioner. Now y'all know I don't deep condition often. I deep condition probably once a month, but after this protective style I am going to deep condition because I'm gonna need it, right? But yeah, so this is the Bask and Lather Aloe and Honey Deep Conditioner, and it says it deeply moisturizes and strengthens and adds luster and shine. Okay, I always like reading directions of deep conditioners because you never see anything that's gonna say leave it on overnight. So the directions say, after washing, apply deep conditioner to the length of the hair and distribute evenly. Sit under a dryer or heat cap for 20 to 30 minutes and rinse. If your hair is damaged, first wash, then strengthen shampoo, condition with replenish conditioner, and deep condition with aloe honey deep conditioner. Okay. That's what that looks like. And then it says free of silicones, mineral oils, drying alcohols, sulfates, parabens, fragrances, dyes, and animal cruelty. And it smells pretty decent too, but I'm not really worried about how a deep conditioner is going to smell because I'm going to rinse it out anyway, and so it's not really going to linger anyway. It smells pretty good. It smells like honey. I'm messing with the scent. So yeah, I got that from Bask and Lather. And last but not least, this is something that I just got as well. I used it already one time and I'm gonna continue to be consistent since I have braids. This is the Less Lux LLC Maximum Strength Hair Growth Essential Oils and Herbs. Okay, so this is what the bottle looks like. It's very magical and majestic. This is like black girl happiness. We love a good hair growth oil. I am never gonna stop using hair growth oils. I'm never gonna stop using greases. I'm never gonna stop using butters, and I'm never gonna stop using creams or edge control. Yeah. So the ingredients are neem oil, sweet almond oil, Jamaican castor oil. Oh, that says extra virgin amla, extra virgin olive oil. I don't know where I got amla. Ayurvedic herbs, fenugreek, rosemary, and chebe powder. Now, one ingredient that I was kind of surprised about was cinnamon. There's cinnamon in here. Shocked me too. I was like, oh, that's different. That's different. So this is 8 ounces and the directions say shake well and apply a generous amount to the scalp and hair 3 to 4 times a week, or to your desired use. Massage into scalp for 5 to 10 minutes gently. Work oil from scalp to roots of your hair as a pre-shampoo treatment. Leave on your hair for 2 to 6 hours. We're not doing that. Wash and condition your hair. So you can use this as a hot oil treatment, and you can also use this as like a regular oil. So yeah, use it 3 to 4 times a week. I like the bottle. I like the ingredients. I like the bottle size. I like the applicator. And I like the smell of this too. The smell is very earthy, as long as it doesn't stink. And it doesn't stink. It just smells like an earthy oil, which I appreciate. And I like that it's kind of fermented with herbs and rosemary. Me and rosemary go hand in hand. I love me a good rosemary oil. So yeah, this is the oil. If y'all want to shop, she's a small business on TikTok. Lux, LESLUX LLC. Okay, you see it right there? Hold on, let me focus. Don't piss me off. There we go. Lux LLC. Look her up on TikTok. She also has soaps. She has shampoo bars, and she has really good stuff on her page. She is a small business, so definitely go ahead and support her. I will definitely be using this, okay? I will definitely be using this and tracking my hair growth with my braid. I used it yesterday, so yeah, super glad I have these braids in, because I can just do my oil treatments, and not my oil treatments, but I can just apply my oil through the parts and go. Don't overdo it though, okay? That's how you get seborrheic dermatitis, and that's how you get a lot of scalp issues. Over oiling your scalp and not allowing your scalp to breathe, you're doing too much. You do not need to oil your scalp every day. You do not need to oil your scalp every day. Okay, especially if you're not washing your hair frequently. If you're oiling your scalp and you haven't washed your hair in 2 months, babe, stop it. Okay, all right. So yeah, that is some things that I got from TikTok shop. I absolutely love supporting black owned businesses, even when they're small, even when they're big. It really doesn't matter. I like to try viral things as well, because I'm like, I want to see, like, y'all know, I'm gonna tell y'all the truth. This Kalita, so these two things right here, they've definitely gone viral. The Kalita Naturals Edge Control, as well as the Bask and Lather Edge Control. These are definitely the truth, definitely worth the hype, okay? I'm not gonna put nothing on here that I don't use myself. You understand what I'm saying? I'm not gonna put nothing on here that I don't use myself. I'm not in the business of promoting bullshit ass products that I don't even like. You understand what I'm saying? So yeah, check out Kalita Naturals, check out Bask and Lather, and check out Lux LLC. Really good products, really good stuff, good edge control, good oils, and all of that. Okay, Bask and Lather also has other things as well. So when you place an order, you do get a card with everything on it. So step 1 is the strengthen shampoo. Step 2 is the replenish conditioner. Step 3 is the aloe deep conditioner. Step 4 is the jumbo scalp stimulator. Step 5 is the hydrating mist. Step 6 is the stimulating hair balm, and step 7 is the hair elixir. So you can pick whatever you need. They have shampoo, conditioner, deep conditioner, oil, leave-in conditioner, a grease, which is the scalp balm. They have edge control. Like, it, you can literally just, they have lash serum. It don't get no better than that, okay? So yeah, definitely make sure you shop black owned, okay? Because our black owned businesses need our coin. Our black owned businesses need our coin. I love promoting black owned businesses. That's just all that's gonna be. You understand what I'm saying? I'm going to promote that works, and if it's black owned, I'm definitely gonna promote it 10 times harder than any other race of products. I'm sorry, I'm black, right? I'm gonna support my people. I'm gonna use my platform to promote black owned products, because I want to put my money back into my people. You understand what I'm saying? So I suggest you do the same. And if you are a fan of me, then you already know that. You already know to do that, because you already know what I stand for. You see? All right now. All right. So yeah, y'all, that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Shop black owned businesses. We don't shop black owned businesses only on Juneteenth, okay? This is a year-round thing. Mostly everything in this room is from a black owned business. Mostly everything in this room is from a black owned business. If I can shop black owned, I'm going to, especially if the prices are reasonable. Amen. I ain't gonna lie, some of y'all prices be out the ass, and it's like, okay, all right, so as long as it's reasonably priced in my budget, I'm definitely going to shop black owned if I can. Okay. So I will see y'all. We are almost at 40K on TikTok. We're almost at 40K on TikTok. My TikTok is Kyla Latrice 98 if anyone wants to follow and support. My Instagram is Kyla Latrice. Okay. And yeah, I'll see y'all in my next video. Peace.